Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm here in Mount Dora showcasing this beautiful model home. This home is 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. This is one of 5 different models in the community. If you'd like to check it out, give me a call, Shane, at 407-765-1405, or you can email me at the address below. Let's check it out. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you'd like to see this home or one of the other 4 out of the 5 floor plans in the community, please don't hesitate, give me a call, 407-765-1405, or you can email me at the address below. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.